One thing that Squarespace email campaigns is really good at is just sending a full blast to your whole list. Now, you can break it up into different listing segments, and so we can show you that as well in this tutorial. But I'm going to show you how to pick a template, add content into that template, and then send it out as a blast to your email subscribers. The first thing that we're going to want to do is go into marketing, and then if we click on email campaigns and then create, we can create a blast here. So a blast is something that will just go out straight away to all or selected subscribers. So if I click on blast, and then I'm going to click on, we can start from a blank template, or we can use a template that Squarespace recommends. Now, one thing to note, once you've done your own, built your own templates, you can go into previously used, and you can actually use these as a template moving forward. So let's say, we did this. I can use this then as a template, and that will create an email like this that I can reuse, which is a really handy feature. So you can see block by block, it's just like a Squarespace page. So we've got spacer blocks. If we click plus, text, images, lines, spaces, buttons, blogs, products, discounts. There's, not as much as you will get on a standard page, but it's decent for building emails. So you can see here, we've got a text element, text up here, text. Then we got a gallery. So a couple of images, text, and a button. Now, all you need to do to send a blast is build, whatever you want in here. You can then style the block. So you can do the padding, top, bottom, left, right. Then you can do the color of the section, the text within the section, pick your fonts, pick your font sizes, and the link color in there. If you want to add some images, you just click in, manage images, add an image, and you can upload. You can select from the site library, or you can get some stock imagery. You can also move. You can see you can move the mockups about. And if you want to get rid of any, just go in and click like so. Buttons, they act a little bit differently in this, so you have to actually click in the button to be able to change the text, but then in here you can actually change the link, and that will always link out to a third party or to a new tab. Then you can just fiddle around with the alignment, the padding, the style of the button. It's all very similar to the standard Squarespace experience. But once you're happy with the blast, you're going to go into email here, and then you're going to pick a subject line. So new email. Ooh, very cool. And then email preview. So I'll just say this is a new blast. Now here is where you can change things up. So unique recipients, you can select all subscribers and just send that out as a blast. Or if we click on select subscribers, Squarespace will give you some smart lists. So it will describe here potential customers, basically subscribers, so people who are on your mailing list who haven't made a purchase. So this is good for, well, I use it particularly on Six Figure Design Club. For those of you who don't know, that's my course targeting other Squarespace designers, helping them scale their Squarespace businesses. Now, I use this to be like, oh, hey, here is all the wins from inside the course, yada, yada, yada. I wouldn't want to be sending that to people inside the course because they can already see and they don't need to be convinced. So you can use it for something like that. Then you can set tags. Then you can set people who are on your digital product plans. And then you've got segments as well. So essentially you can set, and I'm not going to go into my list because I'll have to blur everything. It will take me ages to edit. But basically if you go into your contacts, in fact, we'll go back. I won't blur it out, but I just won't go into it. If I go into my contacts here, you can see, there we go. Look at that, brilliant. Well done, Sam. If I go into contacts and then lists and segments, you can see, that light is harsh. You can see subscribers, potential, blah, 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 blah. Now, what we can then do is segment these further. So create a mailing list. I always put myself in the way. Create a mailing list. We'll call this one example. Save. And then so when we go back into marketing and then email campaigns. And we're going to go to the draft that we had set up, the new email. You can go back into editing. So we're going to edit this up. And then if we go back into the email, unique recipients, and you can see we've got the emailing list. So ignore the segments. That is another way of filtering your contact. We won't go into that in this video, but basically you can set up your mailing list, and it is segmentation. Basically just click on if you want to send it to folks in that mailing list, then you can do so here. Hopefully that makes sense. I've got a few email campaigns videos coming out soon, so if nothing makes sense, drop a comment down below and I'm happy to either point you in the right direction to another part of this mini series or just answer your questions in the comments. So hopefully this helped. If it did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.